How to learn English fast using ChatGPT. Start today. Hey friends, do you want to learn English faster than ever before? Without a teacher, without a classroom, and without spending money? What if I told you there's a powerful tool you can use right now to speak better English, fix your grammar, and grow your confidence? That tool is called ChatGPT, and it's like having a personal English coach in your pocket 24/7. Let me show you how to use it and why it works. Why ChatGPT works for English learners. ChatGPT is more than a chatbot. It's a speaking partner, grammar checker, vocabulary trainer, writing assistant, and best of all, it never gets tired or bored. You don't have to feel shy or afraid. ChatGPT won't laugh at your mistakes. It will help you grow, step by step, word by word. You're not alone. You have a guide now. How to use ChatGPT to learn English fast. Let's see how you can use ChatGPT in different ways every day. 1. Learn new words. Ask, teach me 5 new English words every day with meanings and examples. ChatGPT will reply with a clear list. You just copy, repeat, and use. 2. Correct your sentences. Type, correct my sentence. He go to school every day. ChatGPT replies, he goes to school every day, and explains why. 3. Practice speaking. Type, let's have a conversation. You're a waiter. I'm a customer. Role play begins. You answer in English. It replies like a real person. Learn grammar. Ask, explain past perfect tense with simple examples. It teaches you clearly, like your personal grammar coach. Build confidence. Ask, give me 3 motivational quotes about learning English. Feel inspired and ready to practice more. A 10-minute daily plan. Here's a simple plan you can follow every day with ChatGPT. 10 minutes. That's it. Morning. Teach me 5 new words. Afternoon. Correct this sentence. Evening. Let's practice a conversation. Night. Help me write 3 English sentences. Do this daily, and you'll speak better English in weeks, not years. Final motivation. You don't need to wait for a perfect teacher. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Start typing. Start learning. Start speaking. Every sentence you write, every word you learn, takes you one step closer to fluency. Start talking to ChatGPT today, because your future English self is waiting for you. If this video helped you, leave a comment. I'm starting my English journey today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who wants to improve their English. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now.